Recording or not?
Yeah, if you can see me.
All right, this is Eugene. We're about to get in the shop here.
Alright, well, we're in the welding shop, and first lesson is we're gonna weld some pipe.
We're gonna weld some pipe.
Well, they don't know what it is, so the welders weld pipe, and what is that?
Now, the people that are going to be watching this, maybe you should speak in your language.
Okay, so what was another language? Oh yeah, now I had a German song coming. Okay, anyway, so
what are we about to do? We're about to weld on this right here?
yeah, we're gonna make a good weld.
All right, let's do it.
Because
how long do you want to make this video?
I don't know. The Zen of flux core is that the tip is not messed up.
That's the tip? Make sure it's not messed up?
Yeah, thanks. Hold on. So it's supposed the nozzle has to be on it, and what else? Oh yeah, you have to remove the slag.
Slag and all that runoff. Elton, you want to get in on this?
For what?
Everybody say hi to Elton. Elton the welder. And he's the welder. And then this is the instructor. He instructs.
What are we taking a video of?
Oh,
Eugene.
Oh, okay.
now then it's clean.
I don't know. Ask him.
All we have to weld.
Okay.
It's hotter than the sun.
Actually, put the camera behind your helmet and you'll be able to see what he's doing.
Okay.
Well, when it strikes an arc.
Let me see. Okay, so.
Move a little quicker.
Okay.
So what do we got?
Well, by the end of a straight frame, we
It's
got
coming up as purple on the camera.
we got a little straight.
As you can make a YouTube tutorial.
Well, and it's about better by the end of it.
All right.
Well, you got welding by the stick,
Definitely feel.
There you go.
and I guess all you have to do for welding. Oh, that was the wrong glasses.
That's all you gotta do. All right.